judge, Mr. Narasimhamurthy garu. So we are expecting some motivation.
20 years or so. I'm teaching for +1 and +2, that is intermediate students. Okay, and when I'm teaching, actually what exactly I observed today is many of the students here who are studying 4th, 5th, 6th are better than my +1, +2 students. Because even when I'm asking them some questions, that boy, 4th class boy, I suppose, he's asking about a tornado. Actually, I didn't heard of that word tornado. Even when I'm completing my degree also, I don't know that word. Even I don't know whether how many of the students know that tornado. And one boy used the word cost effective. One boy or one girl, word cost effective. That's the one. These are the words that very rare words that a student of 5th or 6th can use. And this budding scientist, Brain Cafe manager of this Hyderabad, Mr. Srinivas, he was my student 12 years back. Then he also can tell you about that. Yes, Mr. Srinivas, when he learned physics, the physics that he learned and the physics that we are teaching is same. No, there is no change. +1, +2 standards are same. Maybe you are seeing so many IITians and so many doctors nowadays, but the age for learning science, I feel now, is 4th, 5th, 6th like that. Not +1, +2 or BTech, MTech like that. So if any students who are participating here, forget about whether your model won the prize, whether you got the memento or whether you got the certificate or not. Every model in this contest now that we watch since morning is excellent to the standards of 4th or 6th or 8th class. Undoubtedly, if you want to test my words, you just go to your apartment or house, ask any of your what you call as friends in that our apartment who is studying 10th class or +1 or BTech also even still. Ask them how a motor works, how an induction motor works. One girl told me about electromagnetic induction. I can still say intermediate secondary students doesn't know that word to spell out. Maybe they don't know it, but they don't know how to use that one, or what is the difference between an ordinary nail and an electromagnet. Small particular what you call as instrument being having a lot of what you call as science behind that one. So I congratulate the people, the students who participated in the program so far. So maybe 1 or 2 are going to get what you call as some prizes, I don't know exactly, but we gave marks comparing by comparison wise. So compared to this boy, the other boy is good little bit, but don't think that, whenever you are participating in any science fair or anything of this kind, participation is first important, because a science student must be a science student, that's all. Okay, thank you very much.
Memento for the judge, Mr. Raghunandan Kumar.
Happy to be here among the students and judging the kids. Just yesterday also I was the jury member for one Government of India's health sciences program. So what I have seen today was, I cannot forget for a long time. Particularly what surprised me was 3rd and 4th class students. 3rd and 4th class students, they were so excellent. All these days I used to think that live wires are only in class 6th. Live wires will be in class 6, they don't have any inhibitions, they'll ask anything they want to ask. But this is first time I think I have seen 3rd class and 4th class students and they're talking the concepts. Really, I think there are no words to explain, me, myself, my judges also. And what we have seen is that As we went from third to fourth, then from fourth, fifth, telling maybe because this is effect of IIT training coaching. We are trying to make them into IIT products more than practical this thing. So I think that is what is maybe the difference here. So one thing I really think this Brain Cafe program, what I have, actually I happen to see it in one of the schools. But you know, I think this should reach to every school. I would request every parent over here, you please convey this program, whatever the Z-Learn is taking the efforts to bringing the practical application part of a Brain Cafe program with application as a science, as taking science. I don't think anybody is doing. Okay, so it is, I think it is a duty of every parent here to convey, take this program, because you see, I am here because of Brain Cafe's invitation. They have thought that I am useful. Of course, I am. So they thought they put me into your orbit. Otherwise, I am there in my own this thing. So now coming to the point, very simply, sir, they have made this as a budding scientist program. First of all, why should I become a scientist? That's the question many people ask. I would like to become a Ambani. I want to become like a great man, earn money, and or become a software engineer. Why should I become a scientist? Friends, please listen attentively. Our world has lot of problems. Our world has lot of problems. What are the problems our world have? Even today we have people dying without swine flu, chikungunya, AIDS. Are there solutions for these problems? No. So who will find the solutions? Scientists. Where will the scientists come from? Will they come from Mars? Venus? They say no. Men are from Mars, women are from Venus. So take it for granted. There are no men and no women on Venus and Mars. So the scientists have to come from you. And it's a great thing that Brain Cafe has actually started a program called Budding Scientist. With the name itself, so I hope every one of you realize that you are the person who is going to solve the problems of the world. Not only that, what is the big problem today we have? Energy. Today we have power problem. The farmers are facing the problem. There are a lot of projects which came for the energy. Somebody was giving me with lemon juice energy and other energies and all. So these are very really wonderful concepts. So friends, we need solutions. The word here, our country has one great dream. The dream to realize it is under your hands. What is the dream? Before that I have to tell you, I have in my 10 years of my experience running the organization, many of the students got selected as, they are designated as child scientists. One of my students even designed a satellite. That satellite is there in the sky now. I met them in a school. You can get these details if you visit my website. Right. So friends, our country's dream is in 2025, India wants to launch, India wants 2 people to land on the surface of moon. Our country has decided to send 2 people onto the surface of moon. So where will those people come from? Yes. And I will be very happy, sir. Sir, I guess this day please mark it. I don't know if one of you could land on the surface of moon and call Mr. Jeevan, your Brain Cafe coach, sir. I am there here on the surface of moon. How are you? Okay? Will you do that, children? Will you go to the moon? Say yes. Will you go to the moon? Yes. Okay, friends. So, friends, this is the basic idea. By conducting all these competitions is not to just conduct a competition. It's not like another concept. So, I hope everybody will think, look around, find solutions. To become a scientist, you don't need to do anything very great or big. You need to find solutions for the problems. I hope, children, you will do that. Thank you for listening to me.
Hello, spoken to the Oxford Grammar School. Thank you for your support, ma'am, and thank you for giving this venue. And we had a great day here. Thank you. Thank you. So now we are requesting Vijay Madam to share his opinions on the student projects and also the program.
From CBSE had been elected and selected for national level, and she had represented our school at the national level, and she had come out successfully. And this year also some of our students have even taken part, and they were the contestants, and we are awaiting for the results to be announced. And Brain Cafe, talking about Brain Cafe, I need not say much about this because the name itself will let you know how much work that they are doing. They are giving a great service for the upbringing of the scientist, future scientist. We need many scientists to come forward in the future. It is not any kitchen or any menu that is to be needed. It is the parent who has to be at the grassroots level, have to inculcate and nurture the students and bring their freedom. First and foremost thing, parents should cooperate and give full freedom. Let the students think on their own. No limits, no restrictions. As long as you give total freedom to the students, let them think on their own. They create wonders. I am confident. I am confident as an HM because as our distinguished guest said, that lower classes, yes, the grassroots level. I need to say once again, I insist on grassroots level. The education should be strong enough. If the foundation of the house, a building is strong, you can go ahead with any number of apartments. Same thing, if the foundation is strong, and the Brain Cafe people, they are doing great wonders really, they are trying to give freedom to the students. And you will wonder if I say, our tutor is Mr. Gauss. He will take the students into the playground, not in the classroom, not confined to the classroom, and he will allow them to enjoy doing the experiments on their own. That way it is a very beautiful and interesting sight to us. And no parent can give that. In the, what I mean to say, a restricted house, it's not possible. They are doing great wonders. I hope that in the future, they dedicate themselves and bring many scientists which will work for the development of India and will be the toppers around the world. I have the great vision for that. Thank you for giving me the chance.
Prizes. Okay, so because everyone has came here and everyone got some knowledge. But when you talk about the contest, so we have to give depending upon some parameters. So that is the judgment time. So now I would like you to call upon girls to take over this ceremony. Now the time has come for what you are waiting since morning. Is it parents and children? Am I right that winning is, and one of our guests also have already mentioned that winning is not the only thing. We have participated and you all know already that you are the winners at school level. Am I right? Am I right? Yes, sir. I need energy. Till for 1 more half an hour I'll take for the announcement of results. So I need energy. I know you all might have been tired, but I need your energy. Will you be energetic for this half an hour? Yes, exactly. I need this kind of energy, not from the parents, at least from the children. Will you all be? Yes. Right. So now I am moving to the announcement of the prizes. Coming to category B, I am going to announce the third prize, then second prize, then first prize. Okay. So now the third prize goes to any guess? Any guess? The prize goes to Sai Bharadwaj from Master Grammar School. I request Kumar sir to congratulations. Can we give her a big round of applause?
Okay.
Now coming to
Babu. Okay. Okay. Sir. Okay.
now
ఒకసారి
Subramanian,
బాబు
please.
మేడం మేడం
Stand there.
ఓకే మేడం మేడం మేడం
Congratulations, doctor.
ఇక్కడ ఓకే
Now, so
పట్టుకోండి
coming to category B, the
Sir, is it a great idea that everybody becomes a winner? Yeah? Everybody becomes a winner. Is it a good idea? Shall I make you the winner? Okay, so here is a gift. I think we will do one thing. We are planning for one sky observation with telescope. For all the people who are coming here, for all the students, whoever has come with a model, they get a chance to see Jupiter with telescope. That will be jointly organized by Brain Cafe in association with Planetary Society India, because most of you are there from that part of this thing. So that is the one idea. So we will see planet Jupiter with telescope. All the students who have come, this opportunity will not come to others. So I will take out time for this and bring our telescope to show you. Second thing, I have decided, there is one boy here. They get up. After seeing him, I got two ideas. One competition we want to maybe plan it, even I suggest. Science through story would be a competition, because see, he has told a story to us, but by telling the story he has also showed us a lot of science. So that is one thing. Not only that, the story what he has told, I want to make it into a documentary. I want to make a short film out of it. So surely after making it,
and we just decided. Sir, thank you again very much. And gentlemen, believe me one thing. It's good that I am here. And it's really good that I am not here as a judge. Because after looking to all of your projects, I feel whether the judges were judging you or the judges were being judged by you. So, all the three judges, and special thanks to Raghuranjan sir for making all of you here. Thank you very much.
It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, on behalf of Brain Cafe Science, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all the judges for gracing your important work and sharing with us your findings and opinions today. A big thank you to Mr. Bhuvanagiri Kalipavan for his inspiring words to those budding scientists. We are grateful to Mr. Raghuvandan Kumar for his wonderful speech. Well, ladies and gentlemen, an event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheel starts rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues of Zealand Limited, who know their job and are result-oriented. I thank everyone for the involvement and the willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zones. And finally, I thank the people who are responsible for stage setting, arrangements, catering, the press and the media, and all the crew in making this event a grand success. Ladies and gentlemen, once again I want to state that we are almost grateful to all the speakers on this stage. We thank you for being with us this evening. It's been a great pleasure. Thank you very much.
and you are my planet.
ఏం సార్ ఇక్కడ
Yeah, everybody say E. Say E, it will come like smile.
సర్టిఫికేట్స్ యూ షో సర్టిఫికేట్స్ చిల్డ్రన్
Oh, but you are eclipsing my. Keep your certificate. No, not like that.
No, no.
Don't eclipse your face.
యువర్ ఫేసెస్ విల్ నాట్ బి విజిబుల్ రైట్ కీప్ ఇట్ జస్ట్
You all can keep your certificates like this.
లైక్ yes that is good ఓకే సర్టిఫికేట్ కింద బాబు को देखिए सर्टिफिकेट కింద పెట్టు ఓకే
Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank you.
Sir, it was very great to have you here, and I think it has been a long day for you. So, what is your opinion about the program, and how did you feel after seeing all these projects? You have seen almost 60 projects here. So, what is your opinion, and what do you feel? I want your opinion about the program.
As I told you earlier, the junior level students are doing better than the elder counterparts. First thing. And the smaller the instrument, the smaller the size of the object, the greater the explanation. It should be there. And if you are because you are a teacher for them or you are guiding them, you know they are coming here as a level from a school level. So because they are selected from a school, so definitely while coming out of the school, they might have checked again. But here I am not saying it is not a singing contest. It is not a dancing contest. It is not number 1, number 2, number 3. I don't believe in that number. Whether the student is doing the project on his own or